A few vehicles keep fashioners up around evening time when an upgrade is expected. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class is one of those vehicles. Change excessively, and followers will shy away. Change close to nothing, and it could go unnoticed. How did Mercedes-Benz planners guarantee the notable G-Class was as yet a G by the day's end? Influence it to like the first, however improve it. Signs lifted from the first G flourish. Square-shaped outside extents? Check, yet, they were smoother and maybe welcome clients who might not have considered a G-Class sometime recently. Sumptuous inside? Check, however this time, it highlights S-Class levels of extravagance. Rough terrain capacity? You wager, and it's more skill than any other time in recent memory with an autonomous front suspension and all the more on-ground freedom in advance. Creators and specialists worked painstakingly to hold the time-tested G-Class looks and feel while bringing it into another age. The two offices perceive G-Wagen purchasers' needs at an opportune time and guarantee the 2019 G-Class didn't sideline them. It sounds like an alternate approach from what Land Rover is attempted with its reawakened Defender, because of Bo not long from now. The greater part of the enhancements were essential. The refreshed body and stepping stool outline now meet more stringent attached well-being necessities, and the powertrains are a smidge more effective. Wherever G-Class fans look, Mercedes-Benz originators and architects took a same, yet better theme. We have an inclination that will go over exceptionally well.